get anyone that's cruising through the chat. Let's it on the lead. See what we get. We're doing our nightly walk that we do every night. This is kind of this time where we sit back and kind of go over what happened today. Try to keep a steady routine. Try to keep positive thoughts. Just trying to keep the momentum, continuing to push forward. Trying to stay positive and always keeping pure intentions. That is the motive. But yeah, so let's kind of talk about what happened today. Man, the market's funny, man. Market's funny, and it will chop you up. The more and more that I'm starting to realize is that I want to wait sometime. I don't want to trade right at the open. Yes, there's opportunities at the open, but lately, what I've been noticing is they've been just chopping and faking out. They'll make it look real bullish and then they'll break down, or they'll make it real bearish and then continue to push up. So yeah, and another rule that I've been breaking a lot lately, I've been breaking this rule a lot, is not waiting for pre-market high and pre-market low to be broken. Those are that's what's killing me right now. I need to be more patient. I need to stop watching the P&L. As a matter of fact, what I'm gonna do, come on, Riley. As a matter of fact, what I'm gonna start doing tomorrow is I'm gonna change the P&L so that I don't look at the price. I'm looking at the ticks. No live stream tomorrow. No live trading tomorrow. As I said today in the live stream when we're trading live today, for those of you that were watching, I'm gonna take a break. I'm going through, I guess you can say, some mental issues. I believe I've been using too much mental capital, and yeah, that's just how I feel. I think I need to just take a break. Just take a break. Sometimes you have to just walk away from the charts, and I'm gonna take these next couple days to kind of reflect on more or less of everything that's been going on. I'm truly blessed. I've been having a lot of blessings, so I'm not here complaining. My second son was born on the 28th of July, so I'm blessed for that. It's a lot of work, but I'm not. I love it, man. I love it. I love my son. I love my sons. But every day is it's a grind, man. It's a grind, and I just keep pushing. I keep my eye on the prize, and that's just what we got to do. But again, for everyone that's gonna be on the live waiting tomorrow at NYC Open, I'm not gonna be live streaming, guys, and I'm probably not gonna be live trading for a little while. Like I said, I'm gonna take a break. I just going through some stuff right now. But thanks for supporting me, for the handful that do. I'm walking the dog right now. Our nightly walk that we take every night before bed. This is kind of the only time that I'm alone, and I get to kind of reflect on what's been going on the last couple days. the kids are at home, my wife's at home. It's just me and the dog, and pretty much we're just we just cruise. And like I said, I usually take this time to kind of just digest what happened throughout the day, kind of just think about, manifest, I guess you can say, kind of play out what's going to happen tomorrow. But like I said again, guys, I'm sorry, I'm probably not going to be live streaming and live trading anymore. Like I said, it's not the live streaming and it's not the live trading that's beating me down mentally. It's I'm not sure what it is. That's why I'm gonna take some time. Am I gonna stop trading? No, I'm never gonna stop trading. No, sir. I am not gonna stop trading. I will always trade every day. I will always look at the charts. It is my passion. I've been doing it for, I can't think of a thing that I would do if I did step away from the charts, right? I don't know what my life would be, so it's kind of, these are the type of things I think about when I'm day trading and I'm live trading. What am I contributing? What kind of good am I doing? Yeah, I'm making money, of course, for my family. I don't make just to let you guys know, I don't make any money from YouTube, right? I don't make absolutely no money. I strictly do the whole YouTube thing as like a journal to kind of document my journey, to kind of help anyone that needs help. More of like a community, to try to build friendships and relationships. That was the whole purpose of social media and Discord and everything. I never made a penny, not one penny. Sit, Riley, sit. Check out my dog, guys. Riley, sit. Good girl. All right, let's go. Come on. Yeah. So for those of you that think that look at my hair. For those of you who think that I do make money off social media, is BS. I don't make any money off social media. It's all for documentation purposes, journal purposes, for me to kind of look back at things to digest. I'm a real data-driven guy, so I like to look at patterns and just try to figure out how to optimize and get the most of whatever I'm doing. I don't know if anybody has any suggestions, or if anyone can help me with what I'm going through at the moment. I'm seeking community. I'm seeking friendship. I'm seeking relationships. Not love. I'm seeking for friends and stuff like that. Lonely is trading is very lonely. Anybody that's traded for at least a handful of years, they know it's a psychological game, and beat you up, man. It'll beat you down if you don't have any trading buddies or any type of community to kind of keep you on point. But yeah, that's what it is. But again, I'm sorry for some of you guys. I know there's not much. I think there's about 30 or like 30 something. I have to go look at the analytics, but there's about 30 of you guys that come regularly, that show up to the live stream, that kind of just pop in. Some stay, some say hello, some don't say anything. I'm sorry, guys. I'm gonna stop live day trading, live streaming. I'm probably gonna do it more private, but for the time being, I'm gonna stop it. I'm gonna still document my own journey myself. Yeah, that's just a little insight of what's been going on. Sit, Riley. Sit. Good girl. I make her sit every time before we cross the street. Okay, let's go. Let's go, Ray. Come on, Mom. Good girl. Yeah. Yeah. If anybody can help me, or they can guide me towards that type of community that I'm looking for, please drop it in the chat. I'm not, again, guys, I'm not looking for not looking for love. I'm looking for like-minded individuals that have the same passion, right? That want to trade. You know, that's what I'm looking for. This is what I do. This is my life's work. This is my passion. You can laugh at me. You can joke at what I do, but this is what I do. I'm not the best. I'm nowhere near at my peak. But you know, I strive daily to sharpen my skill. You know, I keep it in perspective. I never judge, or I don't hold a bias, right? And that's what I've come to find out about trading. If you hold the bias, usually it messes you up, man. Usually messes you up. So one of the best things with trading, don't ever hold the bias. Don't ever, you know, stick to your rules. You know, I'm more of a discretionary trader. What I do is my strategy is based on rules, discipline, structure, and price action and volume. That's how I trade. I don't trade any type of like test and re-break, or order block, or what's that one? The inversion fair value gaps or whatever, ICT stuff. I don't do any of that stuff, guys. I'm not saying it doesn't work. I'm not saying that it's wrong. Just I personally don't use it. It's another thing that I've come to find out, the more you keep it simple, the easier it is. You know, first came into the industry, man, I made it super hard. I made it like, you know, I was all over the place. I was trying to master so many strategies. I was trying a bunch of different concepts. You know, when I came down to the nitty gritty, I found out that that's not where it's at. That's not what it's all at, and it's all up in here, you know, all as far as mental. It's all a psychological game, right? It has to do with money. So it'll eat you up, man. It'll eat you up and spit you out, and it doesn't care. Has no feelings for you, you know. I say my first 2 years, I probably lost around $80,000, and that's not saying that I didn't make money, right? I was making money, you know. I was making money as well, but there was the first couple of years, there was no structure, there was no discipline, there was nothing. I was just pretty much what they call glorified gambling, right? I was pretty much gambling, one of those gambling traders. I was a follower. I would watch other live streamers and try to follow their trades. It was really hard for me to transition from the 1 minute to the 5 minute. It was like super duper hard, right? But as soon as I did it, it was pretty easy. But yeah, I wish I could have came on here and answered some people's questions and stuff. But you know, this is another reason that I'm gonna be not gonna be live streaming for a little while. Sometimes I feel that I'm not even helping anybody. I'm probably not, you know what I mean? What I'm probably doing, it probably doesn't make any sense to some, and it's kind of too hard to follow. I haven't got to to be honest with you guys, I haven't gotten any good feedback, right? Haven't gotten any good feedback, so you know, I'm gonna go ahead and step on back. I'm gonna go ahead and step on back. I hope you guys benefited from the time that I did trade, live stream trade. I don't know when I'm gonna come back, right? Like I said, I'm gonna take a little break, take this time to kind of digest what's been going on. Yeah, but today was a green day for me. I was up like $700. I didn't catch the big move down. I started the day off red. I was down like 3,500, but I was able to fight back and end the day with some green. Like I always say, every drop in the bucket counts, right? And every day I'm putting drops in my bucket, and hopefully that bucket one day fills. But I'm gonna go ahead. I'm right here pulling up to my house right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this live stream here. Again, thank you for everyone that's been watching and following me the last couple months. I know I started the live trading back in I believe January, and thank you. This video really is. Go ahead. I'm gonna stay out for a little bit more to kind of finish this real quick. But yeah, again, thank you for the few that have supported me. You guys were the only reason that I kind of continue to live stream. Like I said, I the only type of feedback that I've got was negative feedback, and I just been going through some stuff. And thank you guys. You guys trade safe. You guys trade smart. You know, wait for levels to break. Wait for key zones to be taken. Let your stops hit. Let your TPs hit. Let the trade play out. Stick to your rules. Stick to your plan, guys. I'm gonna be going incognito for a little while. You guys are probably not gonna see any live trading. I'll try to post. I'll continue to post shorts. As far as videos, I might post videos here and there. But thank you guys. You guys have a good one. Thank you so much.